Imagine a place where burnout smoke fills the air, V8s echo off the mountains, and every car you see is LS powered and proud. That place exists, and it's called LS Fest West. If you've ever dreamed of a festival dedicated entirely to LS engines, this is your paradise. From turbocharged drift cars to sleeper trucks and high horsepower drag builds, it's all here. LS Fest West is where Chevy's LS engine platform takes center stage in the wildest ways. It's part car show, part race day, part party, and all horsepower. You don't need to own a Corvette or Camaro to enjoy it. You just need to love speed and the roar of a V8. But what exactly goes down at LS Fest West? How did this event grow into such a powerhouse gathering? And why do thousands of fans make the trip to the desert every year for this gearhead celebration? Let's fire up the conversation. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into LS swaps, burnout contests, and cars that make 1,000 horsepower look easy, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into LS Fest West, the Western version of Holley's legendary LS-powered celebration. This event is a 3-day LS lover's dream hosted in Las Vegas, Nevada, where the sun is hot, the tires are hotter, and the builds are insane. We'll break down the events, the community, and why it's become one of the must-attend shows on the performance calendar. Whether you're a builder, racer, drifter, or just a fan of loud engines, this festival has something for you. We'll talk about the roots of the event, the types of competitions, and the kinds of vehicles you'll find at every turn. So hit that like button, subscribe for more motorsport coverage, and buckle up, because LS Fest West is more than just a car meet. It's a rolling tribute to America's favorite V8. Let's dig into what makes this event so special. Trust me, by the end, you'll want to book your ticket for the next one. So let's get down to it. What is LS Fest West all about? It's an automotive festival dedicated to vehicles powered by GM's LS engine platform. That means everything from Corvettes and Camaros to Miatas, trucks, sandrails, drift cars, even station wagons. If it's got an LS under the hood, it's welcome. The event was born out of Holley's original LS Fest in Bowling Green, Kentucky, which started in 2010. Due to massive popularity and demand from the West Coast, Holley launched LS Fest West in 2017, and now, every spring, it takes over Las Vegas Motor Speedway for 3 adrenaline-filled days. You'll see drag racing, autocross, drifting, dyno pulls, burnout contests, off-road challenges, and more. There are vendor booths, swap meets, and show and shine sections packed with stunning builds. It's not just a race, it's a full-blown LS culture celebration, and it continues to grow every year. Let's talk about the real star of the show, the LS engine itself. Introduced in 1997, the LS series has become the go-to power plant for performance fans. Why? Because it's affordable, reliable, compact, and insanely tunable. You can find an LS engine in a junkyard, bolt on some parts, and make crazy horsepower on a budget. There are dozens of variants, from the basic 5.3L truck motor to the mighty LS7 and LS9. Tuners love them, racers swear by them, and builders can't get enough. The aftermarket support is massive, making swaps into older cars or crazy projects surprisingly simple. LS Fest West is a showcase of just how versatile this engine really is. From sleeper street cars to off-road beasts, the LS finds a home in everything. And LS Fest proves there are no limits to where an LS can go or what it can power. That's what makes it so addicting. If straight-line speed is your thing, the drag strip at LS Fest West is where you need to be. From 9-second street cars to full-on dragsters, the a-quarter-mile track sees non-stop action. You'll witness turbocharged Camaros launching hard, twin supercharged trucks, and sleeper builds shocking everyone. Many of these cars were built in home garages, proving speed doesn't require a shop or a sponsor. There are different classes, including True Street, Heads Up, and Index Racing. And the burnouts at the line? Absolute tire-shredding madness. 1 minute, you're watching a rusty Nova Gap, a Corvette. The next, a Silverado runs 10s on street. Tires. It's unpredictable, exciting, and the perfect place to show what your LS build can really do. Even spectators get a rush just hearing the revs echo off the stands. It's a horsepower buffet, and there's always room for another pull. And at LS Fest, everyone's a fan of full send. Now, if you like sideways action, head over to the Drift Arena. Drifting at LS Fest West is wild. Smoke, style, and LS engines screaming at redline. You'll see S13S, E36S, old Mustangs, and even C10 trucks, all LS swapped and sliding with confidence. Drivers from all over the country come to show off their car control and burn through tires like there's no tomorrow. The best part? It's grassroots drifting, tons of passion, minimal politics. And for the precision fans, the autocross course delivers tight turns and quick reflexes. This is where handling and horsepower meet, and LS-powered Miatas often go head-to-head with Camaros and G-bodies. Lap times are tight, mistakes are punished, and grip is king. You'll gain a whole new respect for what a well-tuned LS car can do when the road gets twisty. It's not just about speed, it's about total car control, and it's one of the most fun parts of the whole weekend. This wouldn't be LS Fest without some good old-fashioned tire destruction. The burnout contest is exactly what you think. Rev it up, roast the tires, and try not to catch fire. Crowds go nuts as the smoke clouds roll, engines bounce off the limiter, and drivers wave out the window. There's even a burnout pit specifically set up for the madness. Then there's the Chassis Dyno Challenge, where cars are strapped down and tested for real-deal horsepower numbers. Watching a 1,200 horsepower twin-turbo LS rev to the moon while strapped to rollers? Yeah, it's epic. And don't forget the off-road section, because LS swaps aren't just for street cars. Baja trucks, rock crawlers, and lifted rigs tackle a rugged dirt course built right next to the grandstands. They launch off jumps, plow through dirt, and show the LS engine's rugged side. No matter what kind of motorsport you're into, LS Fest West has something built to thrill. It's a full sensory overload, and nobody complains. Behind every wild LS build is a person with a story. You'll meet backyard mechanics, pro builders, and DIY dreamers from all walks of life. They come for the engines, but they stay for the community. It's one of the most welcoming, passionate car scenes in America. People share advice, swap parts, and cheer for each other's wins. You'll find welders helping strangers, tuners lending laptops, and fans trading stickers like baseball cards. And no matter your level of experience, you'll leave feeling like part of the family. Everyone's got different tastes, but at LS Fest, it's all good, as long as there's an LS under the hood. It's this shared love that fuels the atmosphere. All weekend, no egos, no gatekeeping, just horsepower and high fives. That's the LS Fest way. When you need a break from the engine noise, take a walk down vendor row. Major brands like Holley, Hooker, NOS, and Detroit Speed all set up massive booths. You'll find the newest performance parts, swap kits, turbo systems, tuning tools, and more. Many offer live demos, giveaways, and event-exclusive deals. You can chat directly with reps, ask questions about your build, and score free swag. There are also food trucks, apparel tents, and collectible merch everywhere you turn. Want an LS Fest shirt or a license plate frame that says "Built Not Bought"? You got it. There are raffles and prize drawings every day, with some folks winning complete intake kits or even crate motors. Vendor Alley adds another layer of excitement and access for fans and builders. It's like a mini SEMA, but full of smoke, not suits. And you'll probably leave with a lighter wallet and a heavier parts bin. So why does LS Fest West keep getting bigger every year? Because it blends everything we love about cars into one weekend. Racing, wrenching, community, and chaos. It's not just a show, it's a celebration of what car culture can be. No snobbery, no drama, just high-octane fun. People bring crazy builds, wild ideas, and enough horsepower to shake the pavement. And Holley does a great job keeping the event organized, exciting, and open to all. Whether you're building your first LS swap or racing a $100,000 machine, you're welcome. Social media spreads the hype, YouTubers and influencers keep the buzz going, and every year new fans show up. It's the kind of event you plan for months in advance and talk about for months after. Because LS Fest West isn't just growing, it's thriving, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. So there you have it, the full rundown on LS Fest West, the LS-powered playground of the Southwest. From drags to drifting, burnouts to off-road madness, this event has it all. It celebrates the LS engine's versatility, the people who love it, and the builds that push it to the limit. Whether you're a die-hard Chevy fan or just someone who loves fast, loud fun, you belong here. It's more than just an event, it's a movement of horsepower. And year after year, it keeps proving why the LS platform is still king. Have you been to LS Fest West? Planning to go next year? Drop a comment below and share your favorite part. Don't forget to like the video, hit subscribe, and join us for more deep dives into the wild world of motorsports. Thanks for watching, and remember, if it's got an LS, it belongs at LS Fest. See you next time. Rev it high, swap it low, and always keep it rowdy. Peace out, gearheads.